Well, Gromit, look at this, a bowl of macaroni and cheese. The steam rises up, carrying that unmistakable cheesy aroma. Each little tube of pasta is a tunnel of golden, gooey goodness. It's more than just a meal, old chum. It's a warm hug in a bowl. Reminds me of cozy evenings by the fire, telly on, plate in hand. This dish is a true classic, loved by everyone, young inventors and clever dogs alike. It brings people together, whether at family dinners or picnics in the park. Always cheerful, always yellow, always promising a happy time. No fancy business, just honest pasta and cheese. It's the taste of home and happy memories. A culinary masterpiece in its own humble way. Think about it, Gromit. The color is splendid, like sunshine on a summer's day. Those little elbows are perfect for scooping up all that sauce. Each one holds a treasure of cheese, a simple, brilliant design. From the first spoonful, you know you're in for a treat. The warmth chases away any worries, like putting on your favorite jumper. Macaroni and cheese is a true friend, a loyal companion on a rainy day. A truly grand day out for the mouth, wouldn't you say, lad? Where did this brilliant idea come from? Let's take a trip back in time, Gromit. People have been mixing pasta and cheese for centuries. The Italians were pioneers. Imagine knights in shining armor tucking into cheesy pasta. The dish traveled across Europe, became macaroni pie in England, a treat for the well-to-do. But the real magic happened in America. Thomas Jefferson, a president and inventor, brought pasta-making ideas from Europe. He served macaroni and cheese at a state dinner, a bold, cheesy revolution. Then came the Blue Box in 1937, dry pasta and cheese powder, quick and affordable. Suddenly, anyone could make macaroni and cheese. It became the ultimate comfort food, helping families through tough times, from a dish for kings to a meal for everyone. What a journey, eh, Gromit? A true success story. It's a dish that stood the test of time, simple, delicious, and always there when you need it. That's the magic of macaroni and cheese. A classic through and through. Let's get down to the nuts and bolts, the pasta and sauce. The science behind mac and cheese is all about that perfect creamy texture. Start with a classic Mornay sauce, butter and flour for the roux. Then slowly whisk in milk. Patience is key, no lumps allowed. Once thickened, in goes the cheese. Watch it melt into a golden river. Cheese is the star-sharp cheddar for tang, maybe Gruyere or Parmesan for extra flavor. The possibilities are endless, Gromit. Then the pasta, elbow macaroni, firm and chewy, perfect for catching sauce. Every bite is a perfect combo soft pasta, rich, creamy cheese. It's a symphony of textures and flavors. Simple but clever, culinary engineering at its finest. The anticipation is half the fun. Take your time and you create something wonderful. The sauce hugs every piece of pasta. It's a triumph, old chum. That's the secret to a cracking good mac and cheese. Science and comfort, all in one bowl. Brilliant, isn't it? There's more to mac and cheese than the classic recipe. It loves to dress up. Add crispy bacon, caramelized onions, or even veggies like broccoli or peas. It's all about finding the right combination, the right trousers for the occasion. Some prefer it pure and cheesy, others like a bit of green for balance. Then there's the topping, a layer of crunchy breadcrumbs baked to golden perfection. That first spoonful, breaking through the crust to the molten center, is a delight. Some add extra cheese or a sprinkle of paprika for color, and the cheese options, smoked Gouda, blue cheese or a 4-cheese blend, the possibilities are endless. Mac and cheese invites creativity. Stick with the classic or go on a wild flavor expedition. Either way, you're in for a cracking good time. It's a dish that adapts to your mood. Every version is a new adventure. The only rule, it must be delicious. That's the beauty of mac and cheese. It's never boring, always comforting. A dish for inventors and dreamers alike. So what'll it be today, Gromit? Let's get creative. Now, Gromit, a dish this wonderful deserves a proper invention. Imagine the AutoChef 3000 mac and cheese marvel. It handles everything from pasta to sauce with a single lever. Pour in the macaroni, and it dispenses the perfect amount into boiling water. Built-in timer ensures it's cooked just right, al dente. Sensors monitor temperature for precision. Meanwhile, the sauce-o-matic mixes butter, flour, and milk, creating a flawless roux. Cheese is shredded and melted in seconds. Then the grand assembly pasta drained, cheese sauce poured, everything gently folded together. The finished mac and cheese slides into a waiting bowl. A bell rings, it's ready, foolproof, efficient, and delicious. A cracking contraption for a cracking meal. No more lumps, no more worries, just perfect mac and cheese every time. Now that's an invention worth building. Sometimes life gets a bit hairy, giant rabbits, runaway trousers, you name it. In those moments you need something reliable to soothe the soul. That's where macaroni and cheese shines. It's more than food, it's a remedy, a warm, cheesy cure for troubles. The feeling it gives you is safety and warmth, like childhood comfort. A bowl of mac and cheese can transport you back to happy memories. It's a taste of security in a complicated world. Eating it is comforting. No rules, just a spoon and a cozy spot. It quietly makes everything feel better. The perfect companion for a quiet night in. A loyal friend that never lets you down. It's a universal comfort. Every culture has its own version. Pasta and cheese, a combination that speaks to us all. It satisfies a craving for warmth and richness. The food you turn to when you need a boost. A culinary security blanket, by Jove. We all need one of those from time to time, and mac and cheese delivers every single time. So here we are, at the end of our cheesy exploration. We've learned that macaroni and cheese has a rich history, traveling through time and across continents. From king's tables to family kitchens, it's evolved but stayed true to its heart. Simple, honest, made with love, and plenty of cheese. Its magic is in the contrasts. Soft pasta, creamy sauce, sharp cheese, crunchy topping. Every spoonful is a package of joy. It can be humble or fancy, classic or creative. Always comforting, always adaptable. But most of all, it's about the feeling, an emotional connection to childhood, family, and friendship. It brings people together, a symbol of warmth and generosity. A hug and a bowl, as we said at the start. In a rushing world, it's a chance to slow down and savor a simple pleasure. So let's raise a spoon, old chum, to macaroni and cheese, a true hero of the kitchen, a loyal friend, a dish that's brought smiles for generations, and will for many more. Its legacy is baked in cheese and sealed with a crunchy topping. It's a matter of loaf and death that we appreciate the simple, cheesy things in life. Now, how about we test out those blueprints for the AutoChef 3000? I'm feeling a bit peckish.